IDEANOMICS Incorporated stock price took a fall of -6.91% on Friday, updated on December 04, 2020, buy or hold candidate since the 12th of November 2020 gain 108.42% PDF. The IDEANOMICS Incorporated stock price fell by -6.91% on the last day, Friday, 4th of December 2020, from $2.17 to $2.02, and has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 9.60% from a day low at $1.98 to a day high of $2.17. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 68.33% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 5 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 37 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $73.90 million. Advisors, take hold of disruption. The divide is widening between companies benefiting from disruption and those challenged by it. And it's happening faster than ever. Read more, sponsored by T. Rowe Price. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 53.91% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $1.85 and $5.05 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. The IDEANOMICS Incorporated stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $2.51. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $1.38. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, November 24, 2020, and so far it has fallen -35.87%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Support, risk and stop loss. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.54. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $0 may give a huge drop in the stock price. $1.54, $2.02, $2.17. This stock may move very much during a day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 19 cents between high and low, or 9.60%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 15.94%. Our recommended stop loss, $1.93, minus 4.70%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 7 days ago. Is IDEANOMICS Incorporated stock a buy? IDEANOMICS Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy candidate to a hold. Accumulate candidate. Current score, 0.210. Predicted opening price for IDEANOMICS Incorporated of Monday, December 7, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. IDEANOMICS Incorporated is a global company focused on facilitating the adoption of commercial electric vehicles and developing next-generation financial services and fintech product. The firm operates through the Mobile Energy Global, MEG, and IDEANOMICS Capital business units. Its electric vehicle division, MEG, provides group purchasing discounts on commercial electric vehicles, batteries and electricity, as well as financing and charging solutions. IDEANOMICS Capital includes Bot ATS and Intelligenta, which provide financial services solutions powered by AI and blockchain. The company was founded by Shane B. McMahon on October 19, 2004 and is headquartered in New York, NY. The listed name for IDEX is IDEANOMICS Incorporated Common Stock. Less. IDEANOMICS Incorporated is focused on facilitating the adoption of commercial electric vehicles and developing financial services and fintech products. The company's electric vehicle division, Mobile Energy Global, MEG, provides group purchasing discounts on commercial electric vehicles, electric vehicle, batteries and electricity, as well as financing and charging solutions. The company's capital division includes Delaware Board of Trade, BOT, which is a broker-dealer that also operates an alternative trading system, ATS, focused on the trading of traditional OTC securities, and Intelligenta provides financial services solutions powered by artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain. Intelligenta offers its AI services for the creation of financial products, risk ratings and indexing, and selection and recommendation systems on behalf of key stakeholders.